Someone's got a delivery. Let's see what it is. Ooh, it's a tiny burger. It's bite-sized. Did you have to pay a small order fee? Now that's a big burger. And talk about extra cheese. Hope you saved room for all this candy. Look, there's gummy bears, popcorn, even chocolate macaroons. Hey, what's in the tank? Ooh, soda. Gotta keep hydrated. Besides, you need something to wash down all these treats. These potties are smaller, but hey, there's 3 of them. Complete with a lollipop plunger. And it's great for dipping. So, why don't we try all 3 at once? Like a candy apple, without the apple. Of course, there's always the direct approach. Ooh, an ostrich egg. A big egg means a big breakfast. Or really, whenever you want eggs. Are you sure you don't want any utensils? Well, why pay for eggs when you can get the chicken? See, we've got an egg, so let's get cracking. Here's an idea. Soak up the yolk and the whites in separate injectors. Now you can make little fried eggs right on the pan. So small, they could be hummingbird eggs. But the important thing is the taste. For some soda lovers, 2 liters just isn't enough. She sure likes her sweets. Ironic, isn't it? Still, a small soda is better than nothing. Wait, something's off about this soda. It's no drink, it's a gummy. And it's cola flavored too. Of course, she's not the only gummy fan. Just look at this giant gummy worm. Well, let's make like a giant early bird and start eating. From both ends. Careful, you're getting it everywhere. Well, we shouldn't waste it. Melt it. And pour it into a gummy worm mold. We can even make multicolored ones. But they're not doing you any good in there. Let's eat. We've got a garden's worth. Now that's a lot of lollipops. Let's remove the sticks. Add more candy. Pour on some soda. And get stirring. Soon, you'll have a giant lollipop. Not the usual shape, but it gets the job done. Think we can try it on a smaller scale? Well, place it in a bag. And start smashing. Okay, now that should be enough. Collect in a spoon. And melt away. Now you can make even tinier lollipops. All you need are some tiny, tiny sticks. And look, there's one for each knuckle. Oh, Nutella chips! Sweet and salty. Some good things really do come in small packages. Can you beat that? Get Nutella. Always a good start. And make some triple-decker sandwich cookies. But we're just getting started. Add syrup and candy. Now it's time to trim a little off the top. Ugh, the people in this house need to wash their hands. What happened? Clean up on aisle 12, and 13, and 14. Oh, thank goodness, it's all just chocolate. So at least this mess smells nice. Oh, yummy! Gummy worms! Oh, is the brown part cola flavored? And speaking of soda, I just love green soda. And look at how quickly everything dissolves. Whoa, is that a solid Slinky? Ooh. Isn't everything just gonna spill out? Oh, never mind. Now it's just one big gummy. Good thing it's so big. There should be enough for both of them to enjoy. Oh, I guess not. Well, we could just make another. And this time with orange soda, which is both the color and the flavor. Just keep stirring and… oh, hold on. Huh? Well, the best things in life come on a stick after all. Oh, now she wants to share. Shouldn't they be wearing cat ears? I like lollipops as much as anyone, but you've seen where it's been, right? Oh, it's just filled with even more delicious candy. Don't you think more things should come with candy? Oh, someone wants something. Looks like a cookie and chocolate pudding. Well, let's hope for her sake appearances aren't deceiving. Ugh. Well, it passes the taste test. What's next? Oh, look. Now she's eating the toilet seat. And now for the rest of the toilet. Probably shouldn't have eaten all that chocolate beforehand. Let this be a lesson. Ah, ramen. The best thing that's happened to soup since chicken met noodle. And she didn't even need to add water or anything. Someone sure likes ramen. This girl must really be into those mukbang videos. Okay, now she's just showing off with those drumsticks. Quick, take the bowl while she's down. Wow. Pizza. Go ahead and add your favorite toppings, but it can backfire. And an emphasis on the fire. Luckily, ice cream soothes all of life's pains. And it can also come with all sorts of toppings. Great idea. Let's combine both ideas. Pizza, but with sweet foods and sweet toppings. Who needs cheese when you can use chocolate shavings? Not to mention strawberry sauce. Yeah, why eat candy when you can just add it to a candy pizza and then eat it? Remember, guys, if you eat this much candy, probably a good idea to brush your teeth afterwards. It's always best to eat fruit. Just make sure it's actually fruit beforehand. The scented kind is just trouble. Just like those markers, which you shouldn't eat either. Well, at least you get a prize inside. Another reason not to chow down. And there's something special inside this watermelon, too. See? It's not just cereal boxes that have surprises. Let's hope whatever's inside is something we can eat. Well, it's a balloon. Any food inside? Not even close. Should we cut this thing open or just order a pizza? Wow, that's a lot of food. I'd almost say it was too much, if such a thing were possible. Another thing that's great with toppings, cake. Looks like you've got all the great food groups. Meat, vegetables, chips, candy. And when you run out of room, just stick things to the sides. Probably remove that lollipop stick before eating. And the candy. You can break a tooth, you know. Ah, the final touch. Whipped cream. And whatever that red stuff is. Don't forget the cherry.
No.
I guess we're not gonna cut the cake. After all, why mess up perfectly clean knives? Look at all that jelly. Is it liquid? A solid? A marvel of science? And deliciousness? Oh, just look at that jiggle. Almost too beautiful to eat. Doesn't this remind you of that popsicle toy? Hey, how'd that phone get inside? It's taking a while, but on the plus side, at least we get to try out all these gadgets. That's it, this is taking too long. Put your hands in it and get that phone. And it's a fake. The jelly might be good though. A big mess, but probably edible. Maybe we'll have more luck with the other jelly. Well, that was definitely yummy-rific. Yeah, I made up that word. Catch you next time. Oh, look, a candy bar. Please don't tell me that candy bar's another fake too. Money? Hey, I wanted candy. Wait, we can use money to buy candy. A lot of candy!
Oh.
Whatever we're making, things are starting to look pretty sus. At least she seems happy with her circle. Looks like we're making pancakes. Come on, just pretend you're writing the letter O, or a very short 0. Yeah! Should have listened to SpongeBob. Draw ahead first and erase the details. She seems to be doing better. Of course, she's got to be artsy with that hair. Sure, there's a hole in the outline, but if I were an art teacher, I'd give her a B. Okay, B-. Of course, the real test should be in the taste. Bonus. This must be one of those chickens the Easter Bunny hires as a freelancer. It's fun when Easter eggs come with a prize, but seriously, bring out the chocolate. Let's just hook it up to the machine. Should be nice and safe, which isn't easy for eggs. So far, this all seems like a very delicate procedure. Maybe a little too delicate. Anyone else want to just open the bag and eat the chocolate as is? Oh, does it need to spend time in the fridge? Let's hope that duck brought a blanket. Oh, look, there's some leftovers. In lieu of a spoon, I get to lick that cover thingy. Cool. We've got a basket worth of these chocolate eggs. Let's see what's in this one. Only one?
Oh.
Well, at least it fits. That was definitely yummy-rific. Yeah, I made up that word. Catch you next time.